The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion comes as a fresh contender in the mid-range segment, bringing a balanced mix of performance, display quality, and battery life. With a sleek design, powerful Snapdragon chipset, and a massive battery option, this phone is clearly built for users who want reliable performance without sacrificing style. Starting from the design, the Edge 70 Fusion features a glass front with Gorilla Glass 7i and a clean, modern look. It's also IP68 and IP69 rated, meaning it's resistant to dust and water, even under high-pressure conditions. On the front, you get a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports HDR10+ and can reach up to 5200 nits peak brightness, making it extremely bright and smooth for everyday use, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 for global models, and even Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 in the India variant. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM, performance feels smooth for multitasking, gaming, and daily apps. It runs on Android 16 and is promised to receive up to 3 major Android updates, which is great for long-term usability. In terms of camera, the Edge 70 Fusion comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, paired with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Photos should come out sharp with good stability, especially in well-lit conditions. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that supports 4K video recording, making it suitable for content creation and video calls. One of the standout features is the battery. Depending on the region, you get either a 5200 mAh or a massive 7000 mAh battery. This means you can easily get through a full day or even more on a single charge. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 68-watt fast charging, so you won't be waiting too long. Other features include stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 6.0. Overall, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion offers a solid combination of design, performance, and battery life, making it a compelling option in its class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.